Legal tussle promises to be a Donnybrook. I don't know if you're familiar with a Donnybrook, but
we
this is going to be one.
We are all headed to the Delaware Chancery Court. Now, when is the question? Because the Chancellor herself, Kathy McCormick, she is the judge in this non-jury case. And we know that Twitter wants an expedited trial. So they want the trial to start in mid-September because they say the deal expires on October 24th. Now, if you read Elon Musk and Team Musk and their filing on Friday night, they said that in any litigation, that contract extends until whenever it's over. So they have financing, debt financing, until April of next year. So Team Musk wants a longer trial. Obviously, they want more time in a $44 billion takeover. So they say that the trial should start possibly in mid-February instead. But look, I think if you look at the stock price, yes, it was up 2% today. It's still trading at $37, $38. If we actually think that the judge in this case, who has a history of forcing through deals, if she's going to make Musk in this specific performance, that means go ahead and buy Twitter, the stock would be trading closer to $54.20. That's not exactly where it is right now.
Now, I know she did this once, and it has something to do with
the pandemic. And it was a $550 million deal, not a $44 billion takeover.
It's, you know, apparently this Delaware court prides itself on its expertise. Corporations do business in Delaware.
Are incorporated there.
So they pride themselves on being able to handle this kind of stuff. The nuances are so amazing. It'd be hard for me to imagine that they wouldn't want to do this the right way.
Right. And also, if you prolong the case, that actually benefits Team Musk, right? Because it's a longer discovery process. And then you can really go through the files. And when and how exactly did Twitter come up with the bots number? Because nobody on the street believes it's under 5%. That's not exactly my experience, not your experience. But I think Twitter's stock right now is trading that even if Musk does, if he's ruled against in this case, he'll only pay damages. You can't force a guy to buy a company he doesn't want. Now, will it be $1 billion? Will it be a few billion? I think that's up for question. But people that I've talked to, that I've seen some of the Twitter term sheets say that this is going according to plan, believe it or not. They say that Musk still wants the property.
He just doesn't want to pay what he just offered too much for it.
$44 billion. Who could have seen the stock market sell off?
So we've got some news coming in from the White House saying that they anticipate major oil producers in the OPEC alliance to increase their production following President Joe Biden's trip. So it's again, it sounds a little bit somewhat nuanced. Oil producers in the OPEC Plus alliance. So it may not necessarily even have to be Saudi Arabia per se. We know that they're all kind of tight anyway with respect to how much they can turn the spigots on.
Correct.
Would this be more than just a potential public relations victory? I mean, do you think enough oil can come out of OPEC to make up the differences around the world, particularly as China comes back online?
And we've heard this before, OPEC Plus, which, by the way, doesn't have a great history of adhering to being able to increase their production when they say that they will. You already have oil prices sub 100. How much of this are they actually going to adhere to, and how much will actually come onto the market? I think that you see what oil prices are trading at. Yeah,
we'll see. Susan Lee, thank you so much. I got to tell you, this is going to be, I can't wait for this.
Exciting. I can't wait. It's precedent.
I still bet the deal happens. See you soon. All right, folks, to the battle over busing migrants.